Hello and welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Today we're going to talk about FINDINDEX, which is an array method very similar to find. Now if you haven't seen my under 3 minute video on find, then you can click up there. I'll put a little card up there so you can find it. But anyway, I've basically directly copied the information from that and I've just pasted in here, and we're going to change it to do find index. Now, as a quick reminder as to what an index is, we've got some array, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and our indexes are in turn 0, 1, 2, 3. So our indexes are basically indicating at what point in this array something exists. I've got another whole video on indices. Again, I'll link to it up there, and hopefully that will help you if you're at all confused about what an index is. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to do find index instead of find. And what find index does is that it looks through, it checks if even one item matches a given criteria, and then rather than returning it to us like find does, it returns the index to us. Makes sense? So here, as with our last example, we've got a drink array, we've got 5 items, and we're checking to find which ones, or which first one has fewer than 5 characters, is fewer than 5 characters long, right? So the first thing it will find is wine. So with .find we returned the word wine, but here it's going to return the number 1 because it is in index 1, in position 1. Water is in position 0, wine is in position 1. So we get 1 back. Now let's say that we change this, right? We'll change it here. So if there isn't an item which matches, then what we're going to get is we're going to get -1 back. So let's say less than 2 here. Now suddenly there are no items here that have fewer than 2 characters, right? So if we run this, it will actually return -1, right? So that is how you know that there's nothing in there. So if it returns an item, it returns something less than 0, well, there is no -1 index, is there? So we therefore know that this item does not exist, or there is nothing in the array that matches this criteria. So that's the basics of find index. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.